हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है बीकेजी आईएएस पीसीएस क्लासेस में। आज हम ज्योग्राफी न्यू एनसीईआरटी ऑफ क्लास 6 द अर्थ आवर हैबिटाट का सेकंड चैप्टर देखेंगे। तो सेकंड चैप्टर है ग्लोब, लैटिट्यूड्स एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट देखते हैं। ग्लोब इज अ ट्रू मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ एंड इट इज अ मिनिएचर फॉर्म ऑफ अर्थ। एंड सेकंड पॉइंट इज पैरेलल सर्कल्स फ्रॉम इक्वेटर अप टू द पोल्स आर कॉल्ड एज पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. And equator divides the earth into two halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Equator represents 0 degree latitude, and as we can see in picture given below, here this line equator represents 0 degree here, and 23.5 degree north is called as Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south is called as Tropic of Capricorn. The region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid region, and midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and this area or region receives maximum heat and is called as torrid region. And second, we can see 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north south region is called temperate region. It is found in both hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere, north temperate region and southern temperate region. And we can see here midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the areas bounded by Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperature. These are therefore called as temperate zones. This region has moderate temperature. And third, we can see frigid region. Frigid region is found from 66.5 degree north or south to poles in both the hemispheres. As we can see here, the text is given. Sun's rays are always slanting and providing large heat to the frigid region, and therefore called as frigid region, and it is very cold. Here we can see longitudes. देशांतर क्या होते हैं? रनिंग लाइन्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ पोल. These lines are running from north to south poles or south to north poles, and the prime meridian passes through the Greenwich where British Royal Observatory is located, and this meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Distance between two latitudes is approximately 111 kilometers, and it remains constant from equator to poles. But the distance between two longitudes is 111.321 kilometers at equator and decreases towards poles until it becomes 0. So this is very important fact. And next point is north and south pole is denoted N and S. North and south pole is denoted as N and S pole, and N and S respectively. And here we can see this is North Pole, and here is South Pole. This line is represented as prime meridian. It passes through Greenwich in London. Next point, we can see Russia has 11 time zones and Canada and America has 6 time zones. and all time zones across the world are the multiples of 7.5. And Indian standard meridian 82.5 degree passes from Naini in Mirzapur district, Uttar Pradesh. And